This is the initial reaction to before the car. It's fucking crazy. What the fuck? New car? Who's fucking this? New car? Who's this? Get it. You already know. Trying to get out the hood, my boy. So, it begins. So basically, we started working on the RSX. I have some iPhone footage that I'll probably put in the beginning, but didn't bring the camera, so now I have the camera. So, hope you guys enjoy that. Go ahead and hit you guys with the B-roll of what we did so far. The homies pulled up, so we'll go ahead and get them as well. So, yeah, this is part 1 or whatever of working on the RSX. See how much we can get done today. Alright, back at it. Fuck. So, we're outside of the homie Axel's house. Recording off the iPhone because I forgot the camera. But we're gonna scratch up Ruby, and yeah, this is the last time you'll see her like red. So yeah, Axel. Damn. And then yeah, so we're gonna start on the front. Hopefully goes well. Goodbye to the red end of an arrow. Alright. So we already started sanding down the fender. I didn't get it, but I did it. I think. I don't fucking know. It's just a clear coat. We still gotta fucking, still get it evenly and shit, and then we'll probably do the hood. That was the first time doing it. So, yeah, we're gonna do the hood, the front, fenders, and then probably take off the front bumper. And I'll just leave it here or some shit. So currently, this is what the car looks like. We did so we did the fenders. Can't really see, it's really bright, but we did the fenders, we did the hood, and then we did the other side, and then we currently have the front bumper showing on the side over here. Let me see this, like right there. So yeah, that's currently how it is. So I'm gonna just have to run the car like this to get home. I live down the street anyway, so it's only gonna move from here to his house, and then pretty much my house to here. So should be good. And then if anything, whenever I get a chance, I'll fucking have to take off these stupid fucking stickers. Well, they're not stupid, but take these off. Take fucking forever to take off. And yeah, should be good. Fucking Axel over here. Alright, so after the B-roll, what's up? Axel out here, pop his shit. Damn. Can I show the car, or?
Nah, it's not done.
Oh.
I mean,
okay.
Should be done once you post this, I guess.
Pretty much, yeah. I'm not gonna fucking touch it for a while, but process. So this is his car. It's a 2009 Honda Civic, obviously. You know, Honda boys. It's not an SI. Don't clown him though. So, how to fix that? This is his car looking right now. It is looking pretty nice. Obviously, it's pretty dusty, crusty. I'm not gonna touch it. but he just got these new clear headlights, which I think are fucking so pretty on the car. And don't mind the wheels. I know they kind of look kind of ugly, but they're kind of cool. I actually bought these for him at a junkyard for like 400 bucks. You know, kind of expensive, but they, you know, make his car look crazy. And he has raceline coilovers, so he said, yeah, let's just go as low as possible. So, you know, he's barely, you know, he has some shitty fitment, but, you know, only because any lower he goes, he, you know, starts rubbing on the giant fat wheels. So that's, you know, whatever. But hopefully he'll get a new set of wheels, or if not, I think he has some stocks that he plans to throw onto the car. But yeah, that's a sneak peek. I was not talking shit. Anyways, so we have Andy out here helping me take off the stickers on the side because,
Bro, it fucking hurts my heart.
I know. Honestly, I mean, it's the end of an era, man. I mean, it's been a fat minute since, you know, we removed anything, so yeah. That's crazy.
A year, no?
No, it's been like 2 years. Yeah, because I took it to SPRINGFEST in, like, when was it? I have the sticker over there.
You took it twice.
Yeah, so I didn't get a sticker for the other time, but this one's March 2022. So yeah, 22, and then I didn't do 23, so that's why I want to do 24. So it's been like almost 2 years, yeah. Crazy. But yeah, the hood's pretty much, you know, done. I kind of low-key didn't even fucking finish doing the, you know, certain spots. It was kind of dark. It was cold. Didn't have any motivation, so just drove it home like this and then drove it back. So let's see how much we can get done before the sun goes down. You know, slippery slopes, support your boy. Website, go buy some merch. Messy ass car, so sorry. And yeah, this is Andy's car, his little 2019, no?
Yep.
Well, it's pretty sick, so hopefully we'll see this one at SPRINGFEST as well. Sheesh. So quiet when it wants to be. Yeah, he thinks he's fast. Thinks he's fast just because he has a little baby turbo in it. Yeah, he thinks he's fucking cool, but he's not. Shout out Lord Empire. Shit looking kind of clean. I ain't gonna lie with the toe strap. Pretty cool.
Where you found me? I was hitting all this time.
Well, we're here at the local auto zone, so let's see what we can get into. Look. What are we getting? What are we getting, patron?
Getting 1,200. 1,200.
A different color?
Anyways, so currently this is the setup. The side skirt is off of the driver's side, and we currently have the wing in the back. Motherfucking work truck. Let's go ahead and get 2 axles. So we made it to axles. I have the car here in front of me. We're just making a little bit of room so we can go ahead and throw the car back in the corner that we had it. Like I said, a lot of moving in the background and not recording only due to not having a lot of sun light and things like that. I even forgot my tripod, so we're gonna have to, you know, make do with what we have and things like that. But check out the homie Andy's car, looking pretty cool. Anyways, so this is the current state of the car. It looks like shit. So this is currently how we have it. Bumper off. I had to ride over here like this. As you can see, I have the whole side skirt here chilling. Had to basically angle it out the window, put it on the seat, you know, the work truck, and then I currently have the wing in the back. So I took those off today before I came over. So this is currently how it is. I actually dropped the wing when I was taking it off. The holes are so kind of, you know, they were seized on there, so kind of sucks. Whatever, drop the wing, it's fine. But took off this side skirt, so now, oh, focus, Jesus. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and take off the rear bumper. I already drilled that off with the self tappers that the previous artist did. So we're gonna go ahead and take off this side too, the back, and then see how much sanding we can go ahead and get done before the sun goes down and gets cold as shit. So yeah, and then check this shit out. This is actually an RX, I mean, you already know what it is, an RX-7 obviously, but you would think it's his, but it's not his, it's his father's, and it's kind of neglected, I'm not gonna lie. It has, you know, mold, the top's been open, so if anything, sorry, the whole carb engine and everything looking pretty cool. So you know, hopefully maybe one of these days we get to restore it, maybe, or Axel, you know, take over ownership and see if we can, you know, have a little project on the side. But yeah, I can't see, it's fucking dark. Hey, wait, Brendan,
It's that thing, this car like this, bro.
it is.
This is fucking ass, bro.
You know what? That's why your car looks like ass, dog.
And if it wasn't for him, you won't be where you're at right now, bro.
Period.
Yeah. He would have said fuck you and left your car like that.
You know what? I probably just, I'll fuck it. Take it to SPRINGFEST just like this. Sheesh. Honestly.
What you need is find out what the fuck is leaking.
Power steering fluid, my guy. Power steering, my guy. But that's okay, my guy.
Good guys.
Yeah, so go ahead and see if we can get the car moved back, and yeah. Whew. Oof. My boy with the fat wheels, non-rolled fenders.
I remember when we put coilovers on that bitch? God damn.
Dude, fucking, we were so frustrated.
Bro, how we thought we fucked up the axle, but I just fucking...
That was fucking stupid.
Screw it in.
No, man, just look at my boy's fitment. Look at the fitment. Sheesh. Lowest FG2 in El Paso, I think. Low key, yeah, you're probably the lowest FG2 in El Paso. Low key, I haven't seen a car. I haven't seen like an FG2 that's low. Yeah, but
I only see cars with like that fucking soda can they go.
dude, that's crazy. He went from silver to black, and he did it all himself. Sheesh, good job. So currently we moved the car from the front of the house into the nicely lit garage. Shout out Axel's dad. So now we can have some light when it's dark as shit, since apparently the sun goes down at like 5 o'clock.
Oh, we already got visitors, bro. There's a bird in here.
Itachi. It's funny. But I'm gonna go ahead and start right now. I'm gonna go ahead and drill off the remaining side skirt and take off all the trim pieces as much as possible.
Hey, what's your winch?
Oh, it's in the like
trunk?
Fuck yeah, it's a work truck, dog.
Oh shit! I always forget.
So
the shit you have in this goddamn truck.
dude, I have a bunch of shit. I have clothes. I have clothes, a bunch of mechanic shit. Obviously, you know, car guy shit.
Yeah.
Obviously, we should have clean cars, but I feel like if it's a trunk, it's okay to be dirty. I mean, unless you got a trunk set up and everything looks nice, Dog, I literally have fucking a bucket of tools. Like,
Bro.
come on.
Debating getting this one, bro. I just didn't want to get
Dog,
it.
if you want to grab it, get it, dog.
It's a bitch to clean.
We got merch for sale. Slipper slopes.
Black
So-
and white, you
so-
already know.
Let me know if you guys want shirts. I actually should have a website up by the time I fucking upload all this. So,
Hold on.
yeah.
Hold on.
But look at this shit. I mean, obviously yours will not come wrinkled, but look at this shit. It says bad luck on the bottom. You already know, slipper slopes. But yeah, let's get it. Oh, and then fucking look at this shit. So when I was taking it off, like,
Wow.
so they got stuck. Well, this one got stuck in there and shit. And like I said, I fucking dropped it. So like, I don't know which side. I think it's this side.
Oh yeah, I see it. Wow.
Yeah, so I don't know how the fuck we're gonna fix that, but yeah, fucking, it's crazy to see it without the wing and shit. I think it looks lower without the wing. What you think? Like,
Yeah, because it's like.
I feel that. I like that. I like
No,
that.
but like now you have to fucking.
Yeah, we gotta fix the little holes as best as possible. And then put this hoe back on. I don't know where to fucking put the wings, so we're just gonna go ahead and put it on there and hope to God it just doesn't fucking fall on us. Should be fine. Fuck it. And then we got the front bumper. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start by fucking drilling that shit off.